Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Today we are showing off the 3030 Vapor Blast liquid honing system from Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. 84 years of history, 84 years of engineering, and 84 years of proven durability and longevity. The oldest liquid honing wet blasting machine built in the world today, and this is a brand new 3030 shipping out to a customer, and we wanted to show you a really quick film of the 3030. Again, as we had talked about before in the 4848 liquid hone, if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's up on the channel. This is the first time that you have probably ever even heard of Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company, and definitely have ever seen one of these machines in real life. These machines have been in some of the largest manufacturing companies in the world known today. They are there because they are the most durable, longest lasting pieces of equipment on planet Earth when it comes to wet blasting. Again, since 1941. This is 84 years of engineering and proven performance and durability. This machine's built out of all stainless steel. Comes with a 10 gauge hopper for high wear resistance. Again, all stainless steel throughout. These machines are built very, very robust. They do come standard with 2 swinging doors. Yes, we made that change here at Vapor Hunting Technologies during the acquisition. We love doors, we love usability, we love space, but this cabinet comes standard with 2 swinging doors. It has the option for vertical doors, both manual or pneumatic. Obviously pneumatic, air driven, flip a button, the door raises. Manual, you do it by hand. Those doors could be fitted to either side. When we build these machines, they're very much set up for whatever you choose, whatever options you want. But again, standard, you're gonna get 2 swinging doors. So this is one of the most functional cabinets around. Vapor Hunting Technologies, we've been manufacturing wet blasting machines for over 13 years now, but we have to say that this is probably one of the most functional and usable machines due to the doors. So no matter what size cabinet you get those 2 swinging doors. Another great feature that is standard is the demisting unit that's located on back. This demisting unit comes on when you hit the foot switch. Of course, when you start blasting, it evacuates all of the mist and any particulates. It evacuates it out of the cabinet safely into the demister, and of course the demister brings everything back to liquid and filters out those fine particles and sends it back into the machine. As far as liquid, the fine particles get trapped up into the filter. Of course, it does have a window wiper, window rinse system. These cabinets are very advanced and very robust. We do have our own proprietary pumping system that we are still manufacturing all of those components here in the US. And this machine is, we are proud to say, made in America like all of our other Vapor Hunting Technologies machines. However, this machine's been made in America since 1941. So, hope you guys enjoy some of this video. If you have questions about this product or any of the other products that we're manufacturing on Vapor Blast Manufacturing side or Vapor Hunting Technologies, the sales team is here and happy to assist you, but we will be rolling out all of the new photographs, all of the new videos of machines that have never been seen before to the public. And so what you're witnessing now is a little piece of history that's being unveiled. But come check these machines out if you want to. We have a showroom set up over 8,000 square feet where we have not all of our equipment, but a lot of it set up and running. So you can try out different abrasives, different air pressures, check out different cabinets, different sizes. And we do build parts washing equipment, both high pressure and automated or automatic, low pressure, and we do build dry blasting equipment as well. So we have a multitude of options for you, from the small hobbyist up to the largest industrial user, and of course, the most reliable, dependable wet blasting machines ever built on planet Earth. So if you guys have questions, call, email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.